तो ये मेरे एक दिमाग में कुछ कर रहा है, बहुत गुस्सा, बहुत ज़्यादा। Because it's too much sharp, that's why. Let me got it. Right now, let me close this one. Let's go.
The chain,
Oh, damn it. Total cash. Starting, and then time is 11:57. Damn it, bro. 11:56. Sorry, because register time is good. 11:56. Maybe because I don't know. Let me see. Oh wow, it's too fast. About this one is completed. Now let's go. Let me get gas and diesel report. What is that? Serial number. Oh, it's an alert thing. We need it. Got in my pocket. Yep. Let's go now. So guys, finally paperwork done. Let me put it back, this whole thing. But one more wrong thing, because let me show you. Look at this, my pet. He do my night shift. Look. This is my blood. fucking heavy. Look at this. Let me show you how much. Let me show you. Let's go. Look at this motherfucker. Nobody drinks this. I don't know what. My store. Nobody here. Damn. It's a Monday, bro. Shit. Look at this. Look at this wholesale, guys. Beer wholesale. Beer. Look at this. All guys are left. Let me show you how much paperwork I'll do today. Let me show you. 13,358 $1.24. That's crazy. This is a diesel for these companies. Look, customers are coming. Dun, dun, dun. Hey. What's up, brother?
Come on, buddy, you alright?
Yeah.
Say, give me a packet to that classic menthol right there.
Classic menthol.
Yes, sir. Just one of them, please.
Okay. $5.94. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep.
Okay.
This is your 6 cents.
I appreciate you there, young man.
Have a good day. Uh-huh. It's not for like hitting someone. It's not for hitting. It's just like if need emergency, like everything, like for what at the time, if you don't have knife, you have this is good. Like this is look like little knife, but it's good. It's sharp, too much sharp. For poor and like if somebody need cheaper wine, we have cheaper wine. Look at this. This is only $9.99, $7.99. This is $12.99. I see. This is $14.99, but it's big. And this is $5.99, $12.99. Oh my god. This one good? This one good, maybe? I don't know about that. I want a milkshake. Let me see if I have strawberry thing. Cause I don't like chocolate too much. I like chocolate, but little bit. That's why I like Kit Kat. Because Kit Kat don't have too much chocolates. It's cookies, like everything mixing. That's why. You understand what I say? No. Look, we don't have it. My milk. Fuck off. Fuck off. Fuck off. Fuck off. Watch out, man. Watch out. Look. Let me show you. It's a new machine. Come on. You see? Bullshit, man. But you know what? I like Oreo too. Oreo. This one. What the fuck is that, bro? Why is it here? Motherfucker! Let's go! If owners came, owners gonna be fucked up! Fuck off, bro! Damn! Look at this! भूख लगी है भाई कुछ पूछी You wanna eat this? Kuchi? Kuchi, 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 kuchi. You're not hungry, baby? Baby? Oh, he said, I wanna sleep. I'm not hungry. I just wanted to sleep. Let me go. No, bro. After I go, you go. After I go, you go. You are my brother now, okay? You are my what? Brother. Okay? Sleep here. No work. Look at this, guys. Double finger. दोनों उंगलियों में लगानी पड़ गई भाई. Bleeding रुकी नहीं. Hey, what's up, Modu? What's up, brother? What you call me? Modu. What the hell is that? And I'll talk to you, like I'll talk with you funny things. You're not that funny. Fuck you, man. For so I'll just go to sleep. After wake up, maybe I'm hungry. And after that, I'll eat something. Not now. Look, my favorite sabji. My favorite. This is my favorite thing, guys. What is that? No, it's not my favorite. It's not my favorite. I thought it's my favorite. Like, it's looking like my favorite things, but it's not my favorite. Bullshit. I'm not hungry. No. Okay, guys. Good night. Bye. See you next vlog.